This is the Sig Sauer Misquito. It's the 22 caliber version of the larger Sig weapons. It's a beautiful little gun, and it's a lot of fun. It gives you the same tactical feeling as the larger weapon, but of course you're saving tons of money by using a 22 rimfire. With CCI Mini Mag ammo, it works flawlessly. Okay?
Top right. See it?
Let's just go for
look straight at the heart.
Headshots.
To the right. To the right.
Now, I ask you this. Is a 22 not enough when you get 10 rounds in the head? Ask me.
Should be enough.
I'm a Okay. What I think I'm going to do now is